head. Up, 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 up.
Welcome back to Deal or No Deal. Again, my romantic truck driver, Dru Dancy, right here. You're the man. You're the man. No, you're the man. You know why we're laughing? Because the board is so good. And you said that you were looking for enough money tonight to go on a dream cruise to Hawaii. What does that cost?
More than he's got.
Hello. Oh,
He's scared.
wait.
He's afraid the $1 million is in there like I know it's in
He
there.
said he is afraid, but he said, like you, he's romantic too.
I don't believe it.
Well, to show you, he's sending something out to your wife. Wow. Look at this. Look at this.
I don't like another man sending flowers to my wife.
You read the card. This is from the banker. Go ahead. Yeah, read it out loud. Read it.
Roses are red, violets are blue. Your husband stinks. The offer is...
The offer is...
$198,000.
$198,000.
Good luck. I'm not telling you what to do. Good luck.
Drew.
What do you guys say?
Wait. When was the last time somebody gave you $198,000?
Never.
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 Was the
I
last
have
time.
to work my tail off to make that kind of money for a long time.
So how much do you believe the $1 million is right there?
You said it the whole way. Ride it. Ride it.
Darcy, deal or no deal?
No deal. No deal. That's a lot of money now.
I don't think
No
so.
deal. Two cases.
A lot of money.
Two cases.
Big 2K.
21. What's her name?
Tamika.
Tamika?
Yes.
You're gonna show me a low number, right?
I am. I hope I am.
You are. You
I
are.
am.
Positive
I
thinking.
am.
Tamika also drives a truck.
You too?
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah,
awesome.
I-
Awesome. You don't look like a truck driver.
Tamika, open the case.
Okay, here we
Keep
go.
the huge amounts in play, please. Here we go.
You're
Where we
faking
at?
me. Come on.
You can still go to Hawaii. I am so sorry. I know.
$1 million.
I'm sorry.
Not your fault, Tamika. I'm having a great time, and that's what it's all about, right?
One more case.
Number 6, please.
Megan, open the case. $200,000. Has the tide turned? This game is like a roller coaster. You go up, you come down. Hello. Yes. Huge drop. Huge drop. That's what happens in this game, he says, when you press your luck.
I went for it.
It went down to $75,000. But one case to open. 2 huge amounts. Dru Dancy, deal or no deal?
No deal. No deal.
What's your wife say?
No deal.
You're saying no deal. What's your daughter say?
No deal.
No deal. And what does the little one say?
Oh dear.
But it's up to you. Deal or no deal?
No deal, Howie.
One case.
Number 24, Howie.
Number 24, Megan.
Megan, low, please.
Turn this around, Megan.
Okay.
Left side, left side.
Open the case.
Not bad.
That's okay. $10,000. big amounts remained on the board. They're still on the board. One case at a time now, all the way to the end. Hello. All right. The battle's on.
That's right.
$106,000. One case.
No deal. What? Think about it. $106,000.
Oh, this is rough. A lot rougher than driving a truck, I tell you that.
So, Dru Dancy, deal or no deal?
One case. One case. One case. No deal.
Two big amounts. One case to open, and we'll open that case when we come back. Welcome back to Deal or No Deal, the New York truck driver, Dru Dancy. You just turned down $106,000. You still have two big amounts left on the board and one case to open. You have to keep those big amounts in play.
Number 10, please.
Anya,
Low number, Anya, please.
low amount, anything but those six-figure amounts. Open the case. 50.
Now the offer's gonna go down. All right, Drew.
That's like a knife in the heart.
Yeah, it calls quick when it's bad news.
How you doing over there?
Not good now. Not good now.
He feels he's being generous. $85,000. This is risky. One case to open.
$85,000.
One case.
You could still do a lot with that.
Okay? Deal or no deal?
It's 300,000 in there, Howie. No deal.
One case. Good luck, buddy. You are on the razor's edge. One case.
Number 20.
Number 20, Alike. It's all up to you, Alike. One huge amount, one case. All your dreams.
She's got the low number. She's got it. Right, Alike?
Alike, open the case.
Show me $50. Come on, Enrique. Come on. Show me $50.
Can't wait.
Show me $50.
Yeah.
My cousin, the old guy,
Yeah.
said the phone's gonna ring. He said it's gonna be for me.
The phone is
What
for
do you say now, banker?
Only 3 cases left in play.
Up it, up it, up, 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 up. Show me the money, Howie.
I don't understand. He's toying with you.
I don't like that.
He's playing hard. $85,000.
Ah,
He's daring you.
It's the same amount.
Same thing, man.
$85,000.
it's not right, Howie. I don't understand that.
I don't understand how he works. He calculates. He figures it out. The banker is taking a huge risk, too. What if you say no deal and the $300,000 is in your case?
Well, he won't even look down at here. He's so embarrassed he won't look down at me.
He
Show
doesn't
your
look at-
face and come down. That's a bogus offer.
One
I got
case to open.
300,000.
He wants to buy this case right now for $85,000.
It's worth 300,000, Howie.
If you believe that, then you have to say no deal. Dru Dancy, deal or no deal?
So now you gotta go for it. Now you have it.
He thought he had
Oh,
the
you
million.
have it. One more time. One more time. 85,000 is a lot of money, Drew.
Congratulations, Drew.
I don't like this part of the game.
Don't say you don't like this part of the game. It may prove to be good.
It could prove it.
Okay, you're walking out of here with $85,000, which is a lot of money. But is it a good deal? Had you said no deal, your next case choice would have been
18.
open the case. And the bank offer would have been $140,000. There are only 2 cases left in play. One case has $50. One case has $300,000. You sold this case for $85,000. Dru Dancy, you made a great deal. $85,000. Thank you, Dru Dancy, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Deal or No Deal.